Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to rank higher on eBay. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how to make your products stand out and climb higher in eBay's search results. Let us explore the ways to elevate your rankings on eBay. The easiest way to draw traffic to your eBay listing is by paying for it. On eBay, the sponsored listings appear at the bottom, usually by sellers with multiple items. Capitalize on selling more than one item per click. Well, click on the search bar of the eBay site and search for Game Boy Color. In its results, you will find many games. You can choose the gallery view or customize the view for yourself. Then click on the gallery view and you will be able to see the results of your query in a gallery view. After that, scroll down and find the games which are on sale or where you can save some money. If you want to sort, you can do that by simply clicking on the sort button, which will show you the drop-down menu. Now, you can choose any of the sorting options, such as Best Match, Time Ending Soonest, Newly Listed, Price Lowest, or Highest. The option Best Match will show you the best possible results according to your requirements. In a marketplace as vast as eBay, people use filters to quickly find what they are looking for. If you want your products to appear when people use filters, you need to provide them with item specifics, brand, size, type, color, and other relevant information. In doing so, your eBay listing will gain more visibility, helping you get more sales. Launching an auction provides a boost, especially at the start and when it is about to end. Auctions often have lower starting prices, giving you a competitive edge. Offering free shipping and returns can attract more buyers, boosting your visibility in search results. You also need a lot of positive reviews. Selling items with positive reviews enhance your credibility. eBay buyers often consider reviews before making any purchase. Also, adding a best offer option encourages buyer interaction, potentially leading to more sales. Accurate item condition is the right way to attract customers. Specify the exact condition of your item, whether it is refurbished, excellent, and etc. If you receive negative feedback, Cassini will lower your listing's rating and your performance as a seller. In all its aspects, it is taken into account when placing your listings in the search results to make sure that your listing gain as much visibility as possible. You keep your finger on the pulse of your ratings. Pay attention to performance metrics in Seller Hub. Once they start to slip, take note and make adjustments. Regularly check buyer messages on eBay. Quality communication is critical to your seller account performance. This will help in ranking higher. If the title and relevant keywords are accurate, it will save customers time. Craft a precise and keyword-rich title to make your listings more discoverable. You can include relevant keywords that potential buyers might use in their search. While not a primary ranking factor, listing your item to benefit charity can attract more attention and watchers. If applicable, showcase bundles or lots in your title and photos to make your listings more attractive. More photos, accurate item specifics, and affordable shipping. Try to provide more photos to showcase your item comprehensively. In e-commerce, images matter. Dismiss their importance if you're wondering how to get more traffic on eBay. Your listings may appear on eBay search results, but if it is ignored by buyers, you are leaving money on the table. Images that are clear, big, and eye-catching make it easier to get more eBay views and entice people to make a purchase. So fill out accurate item specifics to enhance search relevance. Offering more affordable shipping compared to other competitors can give you a natural boost. Try to choose the most accurate category so that buyers who filter the results will still find your product. eBay gives weight to the appropriateness of the category in which the listing is placed. Remember, ranking higher in eBay is about excelling in the basics at scale. As more buyers turn to digital shopping, it is more important to optimize your eBay listings for mobile devices. More than half of all eBay transactions were viewed on a mobile device before purchase. When your listing is ready, check whether it is mobile friendly. To help you, eBay offers best practices for creating mobile friendly listings. It is about having the best listing, title, pictures, description, condition details, price, shipping, returns, and handling time. So keep it straightforward and success will follow. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.